Welcome back to the channel. I know I've been gone for a little bit. I just haven't had any purchases really that I can unbox or even do like a quick video on, but today, as you can see, there is a Amazon package in front of me, and it isn't gonna be an unboxing, and it is actually a Nintendo Switch game, so that's why I have my Dialga Palkia Switch in front of us and my Pro Controller. But without further ado, let's get into it. And I actually was inspired to get this game from one of my favorite, I guess, Nintendo Switch channels called Switch Up. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard of them and maybe have watched their videos, but this is gonna be the back of the game, and this is the front. So it's called Monark, as you can see. This is supposed to be an RPG. It has kind of like a really interesting, it's an interesting type of play style, I guess. I only watched the Switch Up video on it, so I can't really say too much about it, but basically that video really kind of got me excited to get a game like this because my favorite type of games are RPGs, and JRPGs especially are really just interesting to me and to play, and I just haven't had any in a while, so I decided to get this one. But let's open it up. It is rated teen, so I guess if you care about the ratings, that's something to keep in mind. And also, I will say that I did get the deluxe edition, so there should be extras in here. And let's just see. Oh my gosh, this is fighting me. Alright, let's put this into the Amazon packaging. So the deluxe edition of Monarch, let's get into that. It is produced by NIS, or is it NIS America? I think it's NIS. Here's the first part that's an extra. This seems to be like an art book, and there's also a track list. Wow, huh. I wonder if the music in here is going to be really good, because I honestly know nothing about the game. It's just when I was watching the gameplay and the storyline, it sounded like it was a good game to pick up. And I'm just, I'm here to try out new games and let you guys know what I recommend and stuff. But like every video, I'll make sure to link the products in the description, so if you'd want to get it. Oh, there was a code there that I probably should use for myself, but let's get that out of the way. So here is the art book, I guess you could call it that. So this is the well, here's the contents. Some of the following pages may contain spoiler material. Okay, so this is the protagonist. And it didn't say the name, but Nozomi Hinata. It has like a cool little bio, and then it has like another different art style, maybe like of their powers. And then you have Shinya Yuta. I mean, I'm telling you, this is pretty cool. I mean, I expected the art book to be a little bit bigger, but not all packages have to be, not all great things have to be in big packages. But here's the game. Like usual, they're pretty straightforward with the packaging. It looks like, I mean, if you're looking at just the art, it does look like the protagonist may be like kind of evil or possessed or a demon or something. But if you read the back, it says follow your ego, control the madness. So that kind of gives you an idea of what the kind of the storyline is. It's basically you're trapped in a high school, I believe, and the students are starting to get affected mentally or something like that, and they're like having to battle their inner demons, I guess you could say. But yeah, so let's just read the back real quick. It says, a maddening mist has engulfed your academy, and you must harness the latent power of your ego to drive back the dark forces without succumbing to your madness. But yeah, this is gonna be a good game to add to my collection. I'll make sure to link it in the description below. But let's get a little quick start of the game and just, quick look of it.
If you wish to be your own person, to have your own ego, then don't give in to what others call normal. Only you can defend your will and desires, your beliefs and morals. Because in this unjust world formed of incomplete thoughts, your ego is what makes you who you are. Should the world deny your ego and refuse to accept it, then prove to the world that you live by your own rules.
Are you awake? Then show me. Show me your ego.
Get ready. Why you? Counterattack. The world grows empty.
Alright, I don't know what happened just there, but I definitely just lost. That was kind of confusing,
Tisk, tisk.
but I think it's part of the game. I think you're supposed to lose there.
Another failure. What a shame. The world truly is a cruel and irrational place. And this little one just isn't good enough.
Wow, this game is kind of hardcore. You can see blood right there. Wow. I mean, right now it looks like you're a normal school person or person going to school, like a normal high schooler. But prior to that, dude was fighting skeletons and then getting stabbed. The game looks decent though. I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty good. I don't know what this creepy picture taking is. Okay, alright, it's this person. I'm assuming these are the characters that will be in the game. Probably like your party. I'm guessing just like most RPGs or JRPGs, I'm thinking you're gonna have like 6 party members. Well, between 3 and 6, something like that. Some kind of weird force fields coming above the school, so I think this is where it starts with the mist that they're talking about. Oh yeah, there it is. Whoa, this dude just went possessed. Okay, so I see where this is going. This game is looking to be pretty interesting, so I'm excited to play it. But without further ado, I think this is a good place to stop. Hopefully you guys liked the video, the unboxing
Well,
of
Mr. New
Monark
Student,
Deluxe
your
Edition.
name,
If
if
you
you
like the
would.
If you like the content and you want to follow along with the channel, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next upload.